Welcome to Autodata's Auto Reveal. Today we spotlight one of the most anticipated smart EVs to emerge from China's innovation powerhouse, the Xiaomi YU7 Max. As a professional automotive benchmarking company, Autodata has conducted in-depth research on this model, dissecting every detail from performance to intelligent systems. And with the global buzz surrounding Xiaomi's entry into the EV market, the YU7 Max is set to make waves far beyond its home turf. Xiaomi YU7 has three core highlights: 5.2C ultra-fast charging, full domain intelligent interaction, surging dual motor power. The Xiaomi YU7 has a length of 4.99 m with a 2.91 m wheelbase, 12 cm longer than the Tesla Model Y. The YU7 Max's aerodynamic design features 10 integrated airflow channels and 19 air outlets, achieving a drag coefficient as low as 0.245 cd. Performance that commands respect. Built on Xiaomi's full-domain 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform, Xiaomi YU7 Max features front-rear dual motors with 4 WD. Its total motor power is 508 kilowatts, 151 kilowatts more than the 357 kilowatts of Tesla Model Y performance. Powered by CATL's 101.7 kilowatt-hours Qilin battery, it achieves up to 835 km CLTC range and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.23 seconds. Smart Cabin. The YU7 Max runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS ecosystem with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, seamless connectivity between people, car, and home. Xiaomi Skyview panoramic display is a 1.1 meter wide canvas created by seamlessly merging three mini LED panels, projecting its image onto the black band beneath the windshield. To craft an exceptionally silent cabin, the Xiaomi YU7 has undergone more than 200 targeted NVH optimizations. Luxurious Nappa leather seats come with massage, ventilation, heating, zero-gravity mode, and full reclining capability. Intelligent driving. The Xiaomi YU7 is equipped with the Xiaomi Head Advanced Driver Assistance System, powered by the NVIDIA Drive AGX Thor SoC fabricated on a 4nm process and delivering 700 TOPS of compute. Its perception suite comprises one LiDAR unit and 25 additional intelligent sensors. Chassis. The YU7 employs a front double wishbone and rear 5-link suspension, dual-chamber air springs, and continuously variable dampers. The Xiaomi Intelligent Body Control System dynamically adjusts ride height and stability in real time. The YU7 is Autodata's second benchmark study of a Xiaomi vehicle, following the SU7 sedan. While both share cutting-edge cabin technology, their market focus diverges. SU7 prioritizes driver-centric sportiness, YU7 redefines smart SUV value through groundbreaking tech and family-oriented versatility. Autodata will soon release a full-spectrum benchmarking analysis of the Xiaomi YU7, from teardown insights to cost and supply chain evaluation. Stay tuned for a deeper dive into one of the year's most exciting EVs.